I'm Dr. Allison Mitzner. I am here to give you tips and information to make you feel calm and confident as a parent and less stressed so you can really enjoy that time with your baby and your parenting journey as a mom or dad. There's so many questions that parents have when they have a newborn. It's all new. Often I get asked, what am I going to wash all this baby's clothes with? Do I need anything special, different than what we're using? And you do want one that's gentle for the baby's skin and hypoallergenic. One trusted brand we all know and love, Arm & Hammer, recently introduced their baby detergent. It's great, it's tough on baby stains. You'll have so many of those from the diaper and the foods, and it's also still gentle on the skin. It's made with really safe ingredients, 0 preservatives, phosphate dyes, and pediatrician and dermatology tested. The other great thing, you can wash in cool water. You don't have to worry about using that hot water that ends up ruining your clothes and those nice baby blankets that you often get. The other great thing about it is, especially in this time when cost can really be a factor and add stress, finances add so much stress into a parent, especially a new parent's life, it is super affordable and it comes in 2 sizes. And you can find it at most retailers, online, and at Walmart. There's so many other questions that parents would ask. How do you take care of your baby's skin? You know you want gentle products, but they do have super sensitive skin. So what's good to know is you don't need to bathe them that frequently. More so would even dry out their skin. They're not crawling around. So a couple times a week at most, water works fine. Same with the diaper area. You're gonna be changing that baby's diaper every couple hours, if not more, and a couple times within an hour. So stick to just water. Water's fine while you're home. It's convenient with a soft cloth or paper towel. On the go, you can use diaper wipes. That's fine, but I would say stick to water. Another great thing to have at home is a diaper pail. Diaper pail by Munchkin is great. It really eliminates those odors that you're going to have with the stinky diapers that you're going to be changing, like I said, very frequently. Some other things that are really useful to know is get on a good sleep time routine now, as soon after the baby's born. You know you need your sleep. Your baby will be getting up frequently and not really on a schedule, but it's important to get that routine set, whether it's bath time, bedtime, book time, just to start that. And most parents really love that. You can get more information on the detergent at armandhammerbaby.com.